The first day of the rest of my new life. That's it, man. It's going to be different from here on out. Today was press release day. It's la la land for me. Like, it's just very few people get this opportunity, and I'm very thankful for it. So it's great.
You rolled up in a rally version of a Nissan Z that was just awesome.
When I saw the original car, which I had no idea existed, like I just had no clue. You just think of these imports and they slam them to the ground and all this stuff. So to see that was just a great departure from the norm, right? And that's me. I'm kind of the great departure from the norm. So It was just a great opportunity, and we had probably 4 months. So it was pretty intense. We got it and pretty much gutted everything that we needed out, and then kind of broke it down in sections and went after it. But it was a very labor-intensive situation. If you work hard and you're driven and you grind relentlessly, you can do anything you want to do.
What else is new and exciting for you?
Well, we've got a bunch of cars to build, but we were clicking along pretty good, building cars, and then we had an opportunity to do a television show. So
there you go.
So we're working with Motor Trend right now, and our show will air November 21st at 10 p.m. I've been recognized a few times, yeah. I mean, it's starting to, I'm glad we're easing into it. It's a lot to take in. Just talked to Dave Kindig and Kev Dog. Super cool guys. I've watched their show for many, many years. And it's just like beyond surreal. Like, I'm just going on after them in 3 weeks. It's crazy. Dave, I didn't mean to snag you on the elevator the other night. I didn't have my hat on. He's like, oh God, who's this freak? But
No.
well, you guys are already doing it. I'm just trying to, take the leftovers and keep it moving,
No.
So.
We're happy to have you aboard, man. Best of luck. How long you been in business now?
Oh, 25 years, man. It's just,
So we're 24 this year.
I mean, just to be associated with that puts you in a different space. It's just very humbling. I have the world's worst business model, Dave. Like, I just do it all.
You're
So
a
there's
hot rod
no,
of work, just like me.
That's it, bro. Young Tommy Pike was like all these people out here that you see right now. They come here to visit people, like they come stand in line for hours to meet people like Dave Kindig. And I think in a very short while, they'll be coming to stand in line to meet somebody like Tommy Pike. SEMA 2023 is unlike any other SEMA that I've been to. It's the first year that I'm Tommy Pike, host of Custom Carolina. And it just doesn't get any better than that. I've spent my whole life making other people's dreams come true. And at SEMA 2023, my dreams have come true.